Hi, my name is Dominique Rizzo and I am celebrating the best of Australian beef with my beautiful bistecca alla siciliana. So I have some beautiful sirloin steaks. I've seasoned them with salt, a bit of cracked pepper, a drizzle of oil, and then we're going to sear them for about 2 or 3 minutes in a medium to hot pan. So once the steak's been in the pan for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, you want to take it out of the pan. Lower the heat down and we're going to bring that to a simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next thing, we just slide the steaks back in and that just goes into a moderate oven for about 10 minutes. I like to garnish mine with a little bit of oregano and some fresh thyme and serve it with some crusty bread, a lovely salad or some vegetables. And it's a great Aussie beef dish with an Italian twist.